Welcome back to Spy Garage.
A speculative yet appealing picture of luxury and strong capability in the premium recreational vehicle market is the 2025 Kenworth Ultimate Motorcoach. By attempting to provide an unmatched combination of power, durability, and luxurious luxury, this Ultimate Motorcoach goes beyond the conventional RV experience and builds upon Kenworth's impressive reputation for heavy-duty hauling expertise. It is a conscious attempt to close the gap between the custom requirements of ultra-luxury mobile living and commercial-grade engineering. As befits its heavy-duty heritage, the 2025 Kenworth Ultimate Motorcoach would have an intimidating appearance from the outside. Its design would be painstakingly improved to project an air of sophisticated grandeur rather than simple utility, all the while maintaining the innate strength and basic integrity of a Kenworth truck chassis. Its high status would be reflected in its sleek, aerodynamic shape, which might include integrated fairings and polished chrome accents. Large, flush-mounted panoramic windows would blur the boundaries between the cabin and the surroundings, while also improving the exterior's aesthetics and letting in an abundance of natural light. Its ultimate title would be further enhanced by thoughtful exterior features like integrated outdoor entertainment systems, plenty of climate-controlled storage spaces, and perhaps even a deployable patio or deck. Within its painstakingly designed interior, the Ultimate Motorcoach would truly shine. Upon entering, residents would be surrounded by an atmosphere of unwavering luxury. With custom cabinetry made from exotic hardwoods, plush leather couches, and polished stone counters, the living area will have an almost architectural feel. In addition to possibly having several slide-out portions to greatly increase the living area when parked, the layout would be designed for ample space and easy mobility. A gourmet kitchen that is equipped with top-notch gadgets and specially designed refrigeration would satisfy even the pickiest palates. Private rooms would include a master suite with a king-sized bed, lots of closet space, and a spa-like bathroom with multi-jet showers and high-end fixtures. The 2025 Kenworth Ultimate Motorcoach would lead the way in technological advancement. All onboard equipment, including sophisticated navigation, extensive entertainment networks, ambient lighting, and climate control, would be easily controlled by a high-tech digital command center. Strong connectivity choices, such as 5G integration and satellite internet, will guarantee smooth communication and information access wherever you are. Additionally, ADAS designed for a car this size would improve safety and driving comfort by including technologies like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and full 360-degree video systems for unmatched situational awareness. Beneath its opulent exterior, the Motorcoach would make use of Kenworth's well-proven chassis and powertrain, guaranteeing dependable operation and an exceptionally smooth ride, even over extended distances. An innovative air suspension system would ensure passenger comfort by absorbing road imperfections, while a powerful and efficient engine, possibly a Cummins X15 or something similar, would supply enough power for towing and crossing difficult terrains. For the most discriminating tourists, the 2025 Kenworth Ultimate Motorcoach would be more than just a car. It would be a mobile haven that embodies the highest standards of luxury living, engineering, and design.